Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna to attack the concept of arithmetic progressions of class 10th maths. So, first of all, what is arithmetic progression? The word progression suggests that something is getting uniformly progressed. Like the height of our height increases uniformly or progressively or gradually. So, the some important terms of arithmetic progressions, in short we can call it AP, that are first of all first term. The starting point of any series or progression is denoted by A, that is first term. The common difference is the difference between the second and first term, third term or second term, fourth term and third term, like that. Means the amount which is added to each term to get the next term. For example, if I take this series, the simplest arithmetic progression series, that is 1 2 3 4. Now here A equals 1, D equals A2 minus A1. A2 means the second term, A1 means the first term, which is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, which is equal to D. Therefore, in this case, common difference is 1. Common difference means the amount or number added to the each term to get the next term. Now, AN. AN means the nth term. For example, the series in this one, series ends at 5. Let's take. Then, if we tell that what is the fourth term, so we will denote it by A4 is equal to 4, because here fourth term is 4. So it is the nth. Here is the nth. So a nth term is denoted as AN. Now, what is SN? SN means sum till nth term. For example, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. If we are asked that what is the sum till the fourth term, that is what is S4, then it has formula that I will show you next. But let's now sum handily or manually. That is 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Now L is known as last term. The last term of the series is known as L. Now let's look at some example. This I showed you that this one is 1 2 3 4 5 is the simplest. Now we can take 3 5 7 9. What's the common difference here? A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, this is 2. Now first term is 3, and if I take A3, third term is 7. Next one, let's see. This one is somewhat complex. Minus 2, 0. But difference here is also 2. And it's not necessary that the difference can always be positive. It can also be negative. It can be fraction. It can be and decimal number, anything. Now let me show you diagrammatically what is arithmetic progression. Now if we take a triangle and draw 4 to 5 parallel lines starting from the tip or the vertex, we will know that every parallel line will increase gradually. See, I have taken at same distance. At same distance I have drawn each line, and you have to do also like that. From a vertex, from a distance take a line, and from same distance take another 4 or 5 lines. Then you will know that this line would be bigger, would be smaller than this by a amount, that is common difference. For example, let's take here, this one is 5 centimeter and the length between this is 1 centimeter. Then it would be 4 3 2 1. It will end, but I have just taken an example. I don't know the real measurement. So here common difference is 1 centimeter, and this is the last term. Then it goes. Now let's write in series, in number, in symbols. See, A is the first term. Then what would be the second term in respect of common difference and the first term? It would be A plus D. Am I right? Because A1 is equal to A, we will get a2 when we'll add common difference in first one, that is a1 plus d. Now when we'll get a3, when we will add a2 plus d. And what is here a2? A plus d. Therefore we'll get a plus 2d. Similar, it will get a plus 2d, a plus 3d. Now can you see a pattern here? The second term, in second term we are adding difference only one time. In third term we are adding difference two times. So in short, we on nth term we will be adding difference n minus 1 time. If on nth term means if we are asked that the first term is for example 2 and the common difference is given 4, then if we are asked that find the fourth term, then we will find like a plus 4 minus 1d, because the first term would be a or 2, second term would be 2 plus 4, that is 6, third term would be 2 plus 2d, that is 10, and fourth term would be 14. So here let's verify it is right or not. 2 plus 3 times 4, that is 2 plus 12 is equal to 14. See, the terms are same. So in short, what we have to do, this is the first formula. So I am not telling you to mug up this, but understand this. See, a plus 3d, on going we will get a plus n minus 1d, because on second term or on the term the difference is added on the first term, that is on second term difference is added first time, on third term difference is added 2 times, on fourth term difference is added 3 times. So in nth term it would be added n minus 1 time, and n is not here anything, it is just a representation. If n equals 3, then it is a3, that is third term. So don't get confused. Now the main, for understanding the sum up till the nth term, we will add last term in it. So last term is denoted by L, then second last term would be denoted by L minus common difference. Let's see an example. Here is the series 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Last term is 14 and common difference is 2. Now if L is equal to 14, then 14 minus 2 or the 14 minus common difference is 12. Therefore L minus D is equal to second last term. Similarly, third last term would be L minus 2D. Now approaching, we will get sum of up to nth term or up to the last term is a plus d plus a plus 2d up to going L minus 2d, L minus d plus L. Now we have to reverse this and write it again. On adding both of them, we will get a plus L here, a plus L here, a plus L here. Everywhere we will get up to last we will get a plus L. Now we know that there are n terms. Therefore this would be multiplied by n. Okay. So 2 times the sum up till nth term equals n times a plus L. Therefore Sn equals n by 2 a plus L. Well, n is the number of term, L equals that term, and a equals first term. So I would be shortly uploading some exercises, so stay updated and subscribe my channel.